Involute Pentagon, how to draw in AutoCAD. I explain now. First step, open the AutoCAD. Then initial do the basic setting. Type unit in the command bar. Type unit. Your precision jet 0 and the scale is you have to select millimeter. Then give OK. Two things only you got set in drawing units. Precision 0. Then scale is millimeter. Give OK. Next step, in the command bar type limits. Type L, it is limits come. You select limits. Then lower left corner is 0, 0. Enter. Then this upper right corner 210, 297. It is A4 size paper size and enter. Then finally zoom, enter, all enter. Type zoom and select all. Your drawing environment here, it is ready. Next you want to involute the pentagon. So the first one is drawing tools. Here polygon available. Go to select the polygon. First step, select the polygon. See the command bar polygon, enter the number of side. The software asks number of side, how many side we need. Pentagon means 5 side, so I type 5, enter. Next read the command bar. Next center of the polygon or edge option, it asks. We select the edge option, select the edge. Okay, then somewhere you can first click the mouse, specify the end point of the edge. So I click here. Then ensure that it is in the ortho mode. Then only the horizontal base edges come straight. So press F8 or the L shape, you have to orthogonally enable this. Okay. Now I give 50, enter. One edge length is 50, enter. Okay. Next I give the name. Go to text command. Here two variable text, multi-line text and single line text. We select a single line text. Select a single line text. Then somewhere first click. Then the letter height we need 5, enter, and angle of rotation always 0, enter. Okay. This point is I give name A. Next this end is B. Next this end is C. D and E. All the corners I give the name. Okay. Next I select the polygon. See, it is fully selected. So I explode the polygon because I involute the polygon. So in the command bar type explode. Type explode. Okay. Explode means it select the object. This object you get select. Then give enter in the keyboard. Okay. Now I select, see here all the edges are single entity, it is now selected. Okay. Next step, from A to E, this line I select now. Use mouse, select the line A to E. Then this cursor move in the end of the line. See here two options coming, stretch and lengthen. You have to lengthen select length from A to E, this line extend it 50, enter. Okay. Next D and E, this line I select. First select the line, then move the cursor end of the line. I move the cursor end of the line, select the length option. Okay. From D and E extend it 100 mm. Okay. Next, C and D. Move the cursor, select the line and the end of the line. Move the cursor here, select length option. It is 150 mm. Okay. Next, B and C. This line I select. Go to first select the line and move the cursor end of the line. Select the lengthen option 200. Enter. Next, line AB I select. Line AB select. Enter. Escape. I select line AB. Move the cursor end of the line. Select the length option. This lines 250 mm. Enter. Escape. Why I give 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 means, see this polygon 5 sided, one edge length is A to B is 50. Okay. This line is you got wind unwound this. The first line you get 100 mm. Again unwound another line is 150. Next 200. The finally 5 sided. So finally you got 250 mm. Okay. Next step, go to the drawing tools. Okay, select center start end option. So many arc option there. You select center start end. Okay, I select this. Okay, A is center, B is starting point. You have to draw the curve, but AutoCAD is working in the anti-clockwise. So I press the control button in the keyboard. Okay, from A is center, B is starting point. I draw the curve. This also do same thing. Again, go to center start end or command is center point and this is start point and press the control button. Okay. Repeat again. So D is a center, it is a start point. Press the control button in the keyboard. Okay, it is very simple. Select center start arc. C is a center point, it is a start point. Press the control. Okay. Next command B is a center point, it is start point. Press the control. It is involute curve. Involute curve. Go to select any suitable colors. Okay. So it is a single entity. So you select all the curve. In the command bar, type join. Enter. Now select. It is joined. Okay. Next, you want to increase the thickness. In the properties by layer, go to by layer. First one is color. Next one is line weight thickness. You got to increase. So default into 0.5 mm. You want to increase the thickness. Scroll button. Select 0.4. Okay. I select 0.4, but this line weight is not increased. Okay. Another step, go to line weight setting and Select the display line weight. Enable the tick mark. Then only it is increased. Give OK. See that it is increased. Okay. It is pentagon 5-sided. It is unwounded. Involute like this only. Then finally give the proper dimension. All the AutoCAD drawings, finally you give the proper dimension. So before give the dimension, type in the command bar dim style. Dim style, this pop-up come. Okay. Here get modify. My now the text height is, see here text height is 2.5 mm. It is small value. So increase the text height. Give 6. Okay. Next setting, symbols and euro size. So euro size also 2.5. Instead of 2.5, you give 4. Okay. Next, primary units. In the primary decimal is no need a 0 point something. We need a round value. So put 0 only. Okay. 3 things you got to set in the dim style. Only text height increase, symbols and euro size also increase, and the primary units put 0. Finally give OK. Then all 3 things you got set. So set current and close. Okay. Now you give the dimensions. It is dimension toolbars. The first one is drawing toolbars. Next one is modify toolbars. The third one is annotation toolbars. It is dimensioning and texting. Here in this linear side is one small arrow here. So variable dimension available. Okay. First one is we need linear dimension. Select linear from A to B. We are taking 50. One edge length is we are taking 50. Okay. Next, taking linear from ear to ear, 250 mm. Okay. It is involute pentagon. Like this, you have to draw like this. Okay. Thank you.